Alright, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your HP ELITEDESK RAM in under a minute. So the first step is going to be removing the thumb screw in the back. Then you can apply some pressure on the actual top frame lid, sliding it about 1/4 inch, and that will allow you to lift it up off the frame. Once you've exposed the inside of the computer, you can go to the actual fan portion, lift up from the back. It's on like a little rotating hinge sort of slot. You can pull it out and fold it off to the side. Do not yank it out because it does have wires connected to it, so you will break things. Once your RAM has been revealed, you can take your index fingers, grab the little arms, pull them out, and your RAM should snap upwards. You can remove the sticks. Then finally, you'll take your 2 new sticks or 1 stick, and you're going to place it in either of the slots. When you do that, make sure you look for the actual notch so you're not doing it backwards, and then you're just going to seat it and then push down slightly until the little arms snap on both sides. Then we're going to do everything in reverse, so we're going to put the fan back in. Make sure you get it in the grooves. Again, we'll take that lid, set it on about 1/2 inch off, if that makes any sense, and then we'll apply pressure and slide it back into place. And to finish it all up, we'll take the thumb screw, screw it back in, and you should be all set.